a little smack to Brandon on here.
Hey man, tell BG, I want to see them other business. He got about 8 of them. Where he at today, man?
Man, he's somewhere clowning.
Working.
You know what I'm saying? He ain't getting no money. I'll tell you that right now. He doing some family stuff.
He on the run. He high. You know I'm looking for him too. I've been
You know Big Mike looking for
I've
him.
been told him to come outside. Ever since I said that, he been in the house. He don't want to come outside. Ever since I told him.
All right now.
So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. It was so packed in here. The place that Good Enough Garage chose to do the show was a little too packed. The parking lot was a little too small. Little packed. Police was turning everybody away. They wouldn't let us pull in. But cars were leaving, spaces were opening up, and we were able to get in. So I'm happy about that. But it's quite a show, man. Pretty crazy out here. Pretty crazy. So shout out to Good Enough Garage. Always bringing the city together, man. It's a lot going on over here. A lot going on. What a show. What a show. Hey, you too, homie.
I'll hit you up later. Okay, man. I forgot the LEDs is right there. You know, they don't even have LEDs. Yeah, they bright. I like them so much.